In the last video, you saw me cover Ho Chi Minh City and Da Nang. Today we are heading to the UNESCO World Heritage Site of Hoi An. This ancient town is something straight out of a fairy tale. At night, the shops and the streets are lit up with beautiful lanterns, which is a sight to see. There are tons of tailor shops here where you can get custom made outfits. However, I found them a little expensive. I could get better prices and quality in my home country. We also visited the beautiful Japan covered bridge. The magical lantern boat release on Hoi River is a must try. It is such a peaceful and beautiful experience. We start our day with a fun coconut boat ride in Hoi An. It is such a unique experience. Next, we visit the Museum of Trade Ceramics. After that, we head back to Da Nang for our flight to Hanoi. We have arrived in Hanoi. Our first stop is the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum. Make sure to check the days before you go, as it is closed on certain days. Next, we visit the One Pillar Pagoda. For some local culture, we catch the Than Long water puppet show, a traditional Vietnamese art form. Make sure to buy an English audio guide if you do not understand the local language. Next, we end our day with a visit to the Hanoi Night Market. It is a great spot for street food. The highlight of our trip, Halong Bay. We went on a one-day cruise, but if you have time, I would recommend doing a night cruise. The views of the green waters here are just amazing. On our final day in Hanoi, we visited the Train Street, the Temple of Literature, the Hoa Lo Prison Museum, and St. Joseph's Cathedral. Each of these places give you a deeper understanding of Vietnamese history and culture. And that's a wrap. We had an amazing time in Vietnam. If you're planning to visit, make sure to check out all these incredible places. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.